In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads with Brave Browser. Brave is a powerful web browser known for its privacy features and ad blocking capabilities. Let's dive in and set it up to block those pesky ads. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. This step is as simple as clicking on the Brave icon, whether it's on your desktop, taskbar, or app screen. Once the browser is open, you're ready for the next step. Next, navigate to the main menu. You'll find this icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the Brave browser window. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features within Brave. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window or tab, allowing you to customize how Brave behaves. Settings is where you can control many aspects of your browsing experience, so it's always a good place to visit now and then. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Shields. Shields is one of Brave's standout features. It provides an extra layer of protection by blocking unwanted content on websites you visit. In the Shields menu, locate the Trackers and Ads blocking option in the center panel. This option determines how aggressively Brave blocks ads and trackers. It's important because it directly impacts the number and type of ads you'll see or not see. Change the setting from standard to aggressive. Doing so will enhance Brave's blocking capabilities, reducing the number of ads that slip through. An aggressive setting is more thorough, which is crucial for a seamless browsing experience. While you're still in the Shield Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on Content Filtering. Content filtering offers additional options to fine-tune how Brave blocks ads and other unwanted items. This step ensures you're leveraging all of Brave's powerful tools. Now browse through the available list of checkboxes. Here you can turn on additional specialized filters. Each filter serves a specific purpose, adding another layer of customization to your browsing. Activating these filters can significantly enhance your browsing experience. Consider enabling the Easy List cookie list. This filter blocks those annoying Accept Cookies pop-ups that can clutter your screen. With this filter on, you'll notice fewer interruptions while surfing the web. Another valuable filter is Fanboys Annoyances. This filter blocks social media widgets, in-page pop-ups, and newsletter overlays. It's particularly useful for keeping your browsing clean and focused without distractions. Lastly, it's important to note that Brave will automatically update these rules in the background. This means you won't need to manually update filters or settings frequently. Your browser will stay up to date with the latest blocking techniques, ensuring a smooth and ad-free experience. With these steps completed, you've successfully configured Brave to block ads more effectively. By following this guide, you can enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more private browsing experience with Brave Browser. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.